India and Pakistan, both nuclear armed, have had a strained relationship since gaining independence in 1947. They have fought 3 wars and dispute the region of Kashmir, which both claim fully but control in part. During India's 2019 election, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his party, the BJP, focused heavily on Pakistan. This focus intensified after a suicide bomber killed 46 Indian soldiers in Pulwama on February 14, 2019. India then accused Pakistan of supporting militant groups, a claim Pakistan denied. Then, India conducted airstrikes on February 26, 2019, targeting what it claimed were militant camps in Balakot. Pakistan said it lost some trees in those airstrikes, but retaliated nonetheless, leading to a week-long skirmish that brought the countries to the brink of war just weeks before the election.
हम जब पूरी तरह तावन करने के लिए तैयार थे, तो मुझे ये खदशा था कि उसके बावजूद हिंदुस्तान ने कोई एक्शन लेना, और इसीलिए मैंने उन्हें कहा कि हमारी मजबूरी होगी जब आप एक्शन लेंगे, हमारी मजबूरी होगी रिस्पॉन्ड करना, क्योंकि कोई भी सॉवरन मुल्क ये किसी मुल्क को इजाजत नहीं देता कि वो उसके मुल्क के अंदर कार्रवाई करे और खुद ही फैसला कर ले कि वो उसने जुर्म किया, जज, जूरी और एक्सिक्यूशन खुद ही बन जाए.
Modi used the conflict to bolster his campaign, portraying opposition parties as unpatriotic for questioning the effectiveness of the airstrikes. Despite claims from independent analysts, the strikes hit no significant targets. Modi maintained a strong nationalist stance, which resonated with voters. In the current election campaign, Modi has again referenced Pakistan, though now it serves more as a distraction.
एक पड़ोसी जो आतंक का सप्लायर था, वो अब आटे की सप्लाई के लिए तरस रहा है.
India's primary foreign policy challenge has shifted to China, particularly after deadly clashes in the Galwan Valley in 2020, which resulted in Indian and Chinese casualties. India lost significant territory to China, although the Modi government refuses to acknowledge it. Coming back to the topic, Modi's BJP is favoured to win a 3rd term, but improving relations with Pakistan remains a challenge. Previous attempts by Indian governments, including Modi's own surprise visit to Pakistan in his first term, have failed due to recurring conflicts. As Modi looks to secure his legacy, a lasting peace with Pakistan could be a significant achievement.